Still with us, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar, as we're waiting for that sentencing to get underway there. You know, you hear from people for the victim, but it's all one family in this case. And then you sometimes hear mitigation people that are addressing the court and saying, please give lesser time because my loved one. Which side do you think this guy's going to be on?
That's going to be a tough one. That's going to be a tough one. Courtroom demeanor matters. It matters a lot. I mean, it's everything. I always tell my clients, look, courtroom demeanor matters before a jury comes back and even after a jury comes back. The judge needs to see your demeanor, right? If you're convicted of something, then your life and fate are in the hands of the judge, right? So courtroom demeanor matters. So you saw the emotion by his father, right? He looks like his father. His father comes off as an excellent person, as a person who's truly traumatized. That matters, right? If everybody in the courtroom that's related to the person who knows more about the person than anybody else in that courtroom comes in and says he was a monster, that's different than if everybody comes in and says, hey, this was the best person on earth. I'm remembering the sentence by that character who helped, you know, Murdoch steal money from all those people. Everybody in that courtroom was crying in tears. We love this guy. He's the best guy ever. He went down a bad path. That mattered, right? It always matters. So on what side do I think the judge will go? He had a lot of time with this defendant. He saw him every single day of trial. He saw his demeanor. He saw his, you know, his presence in that courtroom. But the judge also is a parent. And he saw the parent basically suffer and suffering to see what happened to their grandchild and what's going to happen to their son now. That's got to tug at your heartstrings. So I think it's a tough one, Matt. I don't know, but we got to see more. We have to see everybody's. And we know the mother is going to come in with blood dripping from her jaw, and she wants him to go to jail for the rest of his life. She wants, she wants the death penalty if it were up to her. But we have to see how many people come in favor of this defendant.